Oh my goodness, if you had to describe this year with one word, what would that word be? Terrible, insane, or horrible? Either way, I don't want to get out of bed. But don't despair. I have a solution for you. I have a simple tool that you can prepare by yourself, which will make your next year much better, guaranteed. It'll make it less chaotic, less overwhelming, just more zen. Making next year better than this year sounds like a good enough reason to get out of bed. I don't want to delay. I want to show you exactly what it is. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm up, and this is what I wanted to show you. I call this my zoom out board. Named so because it helps me zoom out of the day-to-day madness of life. It lets me see my year at a glance without all the noise, only the things that I want to see here. What does that mean? That means no reminders and tasks and regularly scheduled dentist appointments, just the things that I deem as big milestones, important things that I want to see in advance, that I want to plan for. We'll talk about the design fundamentals of this kind of board and how you can make one for yourself. But for me, I went to the arts and crafts store, bought 12 of these kind of boards, each one representing a month. And on them, I wrote with a nice marker the things that I care about, the things that I want to see in advance, the big milestones of the year. It's right here in my office. My computer is right here. I turn around and I see what's coming up very, very easily. This is perfect for me. It's analog, erasable. I can write things, add things, remove things. It is much more tactile. It doesn't require an app or a subscription or any kind of rules and limitations on how I would use it. It's perfect. So the zoom out board, is it a nice to have? Is it a must have? How important is it? Is it important enough for me to make a video about it and for you to watch a video about it? Well, if you're watching this video, you know my answer anyways. I think it's critical. I think it's important. I think it's something that none of us really have access to. And I think it's really easy to make. So why the heck not make it? How else would you get this kind of view into your life? This 12 months, year at a glance view that will give you clarity about what's going on with your year. How else would you achieve that? Tell me. Oh, Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar? Sure. Go check those out. Click on the yearly view and tell me what you see. I tell you what you don't see. You don't see the forest for the trees, because all you see is trees. Appointments, to-dos, meetings, dentists, all the noise, all the things. You don't see the milestones. You don't see the big things that are happening in the year that you need to plan for or that you're excited about. You don't see that in those calendars or any other calendar. So my option two was Google and ChatGPT and go to YouTube and search for yearly planning, how to plan my year. Unfortunately, the results are very complicated. They're more about taking 2 days off to reevaluate your life and think about your goals and think about your priorities. That might be fine for you. That was not what I was looking for. If you want to do that, I think it's a great exercise, but I was not looking for a reevaluation of my life. I was looking for a simple tool to give me clarity. This project was becoming so important for me. The need to have this kind of clarity was so important for me that I did the unbelievable and I went to the art store. Let me help you plan this out and bring this to life. Your zoom out board does not have to look like mine whatsoever. It could be as simple or as creative or as colorful or as bland as you want it to be. Make it a representation of how you see life and what you like things to look like. I do recommend going to the art store because they're actually fun and they can give you some inspiration. But the bottom line is don't make it more complicated than it needs to be. Here are the design fundamentals that I believe in. Might be different for you, but for me, it has to be analog. I want to be able to control how big the font is and what I put into each month. I don't want anything that limits me. And I want to be able to make easy changes. So I don't want to use permanent marker and then have to rip the whole thing apart just to make a small change. Something that you can erase or a sticker that you can remove and put a new one in whenever there's some sort of a change in your plans. Go get them. Make next year easier and better. We all deserve that. By the way, thanks for getting me out of bed. I'll see you in the next video.